Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how to edit your photos with Moody Forest filter using Lightroom Mobiles. Passwords for presets will appear as an iCard anytime in this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. So let's start editing. Bring the exposure to -0.20. Contrast to 55 and highlights to -90. Shadows to -40. Whites to 22 and blacks to 80. Now bring the temp to 8 and tint to 4. Vibrance to -10 and saturation to 30. Now go to color mix. Bring hue to 10 and saturation to -22 for red. Bring hue to -14, saturation to -30 and luminance to 8 for orange. For yellow, bring hue to -50, saturation to -90 and luminance to -8. Now for green, hue to -56, saturation to -76 and luminance to -20. For aqua, bring hue to -90, saturation to -80 and luminance to 36. Bring saturation to -70 for blue. For purple and magenta, bring saturation to -90. Now bring clarity to 10, dehaze to 20, vignette to -30, midpoint to 20, feather to 70 and roundness to 60. Now bring clarity to 10, dehaze to 20, vignette to -30, midpoint to 20, feather to 70 and roundness to 60. Then sharpening to 4, noise and color noise reduction to 10. Now let's try to copy settings to other photos. You might need to change some settings before applying to your photos. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.